don't even know what to say. I'm just gonna shoot him. Okay, ready?
Truffle shot.
What? Is safety on?
No.
What? Did you see that? I saw that move. I saw that jump. There you go. Alright, it's time to do what you gotta do. I prefer if you come to me. Oh shit! Low and lower.
Lower it a little.
No, not that one.
Shoot the stomach. Shoot the stomach. Get it. Do it now. Look at that thing. Shuffle them out. Oh my god. Get more of that. Get more beverage. You want to get.
Mason has a gun. Oh my god, dude, look at this.
Who wants one more shot?
No one.